So here we have a pair of Ferrari 355 shock absorber actuators. They hook up on top of the shock, and there's a motor and a bunch of gears inside here. And the gears down inside there break, which are those two right there. Those came out of this one, and we replaced them with gears out of this Corvette version, which is black and has some different electronics in it, but it has the same gears. So you can see these 3 planetary gears there on the inside. It's run by this similar motor right there, which then transfers to that, which then spins that. And that's all inside of this one. You can see it's taped up here. We put the new gears out of that black one into here. And now Steve is going to test how it works.
Okay.
We got 2 of them. One of them worked perfectly fine. The gears were intact, so you can see it hasn't been taken apart.
Come on, get in there. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, son of a gun. There we go.
All right,
That's
here we go.
And put this in
Put
here.
this little, it's actually a Torx drive we put in there so you can see it spin.
Okay. Oh, son of a bitch. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so there it is going one way.
Oh.
And we reverse polarity on our little power supply, and it goes the other way. And it works. If you put your fingers on there, it'll still spin even with quite a bit of pressure. So they're good. Thank you.